Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, coronavirus. Ooh, man, that's a toughie, ain't it, guys? You got like, what, a 50-50 chance of leaving your house. You got a 50-50 chance. I had a meeting the other night, and I was actually teaching my students how not to be scared. You know, how do you have faith during these times? How do you not be scared of something that could possibly kill you? Well, that's actually how you do it. You don't worry about dying. It's kind of like, we're going to die eventually. You're going to die eventually. 70, 80, 90 years old, 100 maybe, right? It's going to eventually come. So here's what I was trying to share with them the other night. To not be scared of this is to accept death. What's the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario is you die and go get to see Grandma and Jesus a little earlier, right? Since we're going to do it anyway, right? 80, 90 years old, we're going to go see Grandma and Jesus anyway. So what's the difference between doing it now and 20, 30, 40 years from now? Really, what is the difference? So you defeat this stupid little monster devil crap by not being scared of it. Worst case scenario, he sends you to see Grandma and Jesus a little earlier, the devil, from this freaking virus crap. I don't know if that helps you anyway, but anyway. Also, I want to actually share with you guys. You guys know we're may possibly be in this little recession thing, about to have a recession again. The last one was in 2009. You guys remember that? Now 2009, guys, I literally tripled my income that year. Tripled, for obvious reasons. I'm hoping you guys know the answer to that. The answer is, right, during a recession, people losing their jobs, they don't have money, right? What do? They come online, guys, and start searching for how to make money online. And if you're all out there, you're going to get a lot of those customers, and which basically means you're going to get a whole lot more money. Now what I want to do is give you a free class during this, because we're about to do it again. The recession thing is probably fixing to hit us, guys. So there's going to be a lot of people out of money. There's going to be a lot of people need money, and there's going to be a ton of people. In fact, we've already seen it already. Within the last couple of weeks, we've had an influx in our sales on what we sell online. So what I want to do is give you a free class this coming Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's live, guys. I'm going to do this class live. I'm going to teach you guys exactly what I do during recessions, which is completely different than what everybody else is doing. What you see out here, guys, is everybody doing what? Everybody's still running around with the head cut off, screaming, I'm going to make you rich, I'm going to make you rich, right? That's what everybody does, and nobody's actually making any money, really, right? Let's be honest, guys. I think the number probably is around 95 to 96% of all marketers online don't make money online. No matter what they tell you on their posts and timelines, they don't make money. In fact, so what I think what I should do is give you a little proof. First, let me give you a little bit of information about me. I retired myself under the age of 40 way back in 2006. That's crazy to say, because that's actually been 14 freaking years, guys. But that was way back in 2006 when I did that. And then what I did was come into the teaching. I didn't actually get rich by teaching other people to get rich. I didn't do it the easy way. I have to admit that was the easy way. Kern and all the boys did that, hey, give me $39.95 and I'll show you how to get rich online. I didn't do that. I actually did it the hard way. But anyway, it doesn't matter about me. But what I want to let you know is I am successful because of the things that I learned all of those years, guys. It took me an 8-year period. It took me 8 years to get rich online. A lot of people are trying to do it in 2 or 3 weeks. And you can do it faster, but you've got to know how to do it properly, which is why I want to give you a class. So what I'm going to specifically teach you, now this is no scam or no hype, guys. Seriously, I can teach you how to do this. I'm going to teach you guys how to create a $5,000 per month income during this recession probably that's fixing to hit. Sounds like a blow to blah, huh? Well, it's free. I'm going to teach you exactly how we do it. And one of the things that most people will not listen to us when I tell you this, I'm hoping you're going to listen to what I'm about to share with you. The only reason why we're able to do that, guys, the only reason why I've been making money hand over fist and my clients and my members make crazy money online, guys, is for 2 reasons. We have converting offers, and this is the biggie right here. Converting offers is a super biggie, but this right here, you gotta have a traffic software. If you're not going to pay for ads, guys, if you're not going to pay thousands of dollars every month for ads, for advertising, you're going to have a software to automate the process for you. That's right, automate it. The reason why you do that, guys, is because you cannot manually make enough sales to make a crap ton of money. Excuse my language. You can't make to make a bunch of money. You can't do it manually. You can't just go out there manually. You're either going to have to go pay for ads, right? Because if you pay someone else, like Facebook, if you pay for Facebook ads, they'll bring you the traffic and lots of it. So then, if you have a converting offer, that makes you rich, guys. Right? If you got the traffic and a converting offer, if you send the traffic to a whole bunch of traffic to that converting offer, that means you're rich. You'll make a whole lot of money. Excuse me. So, what I'm going to teach you is how to do this without ads. I haven't placed an ad in, it's probably been 7 years since Facebook shut my ad account down. I think it's been 6 or 7 years around that, and I've been serious about that. 6 or 7 years is when Facebook shut my ad account down. They don't really like us marketers. And so mine along with a whole bunch of other people's got their accounts shut down for some unknown reason. I was making a ton of money with Facebook ads. Why? Because Facebook ads sends you real people. All of these other paid traffic sources, guys, are all fake. Facebook is the only one that I know of that sends you actually real people. All the Google AdWords, all of it is fake. All bots and all kinds of crazy, stupid stuff. All right. So what I'm going to specifically do is this coming Tuesday, put that down there. If you're interested, guys, all you got to do is opt in to the form below. If you're interested, this may not be your cup of tea. You may not even... I'm busy, Vic. I'm busy. We're going to kill it with what I'm doing now, man. I just jumped into MLM and we're going to kill it and blah. Guys, quit all that false motivation. Let's come make some money for real. So this coming Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Okay, so if you're watching this video, this coming Tuesday, I don't know what day it is today for you. Well, today is actually Thursday. But this coming Tuesday, we are going to have a live class. And all you got to do is opt in. You'll get the links to the live class. Okay, so make sure you opt in. Make sure you go to your email and check for the links, because the links will be in there for the live class. All you got to do is show up at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. That's New York, Miami, Atlanta time. I'm down here in Macon, Georgia. So that's when the class will be live. Now, like I said, I'm going to specifically show you how to do a $5,000 per month income during the hard times, guys. This is so easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. You don't have to. I'm going to teach you for free. And I'm going to actually also show you the specific traffic softwares. We actually use 2. I'm going to show you the softwares that we use, guys, me and my clients, to actually be able to pull this kind of money off online. Now, what kind of money am I talking about? Well, let's go look. I don't want to, just be talk, right? Let's get some proof, Vic. Let's show some proof. All you got to do, guys, is come to my Facebook. If you come to my Facebook, you can go down on my timeline year after 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 year and just see the crazy amounts of money that we actually make online. In fact, there's one of my clients right there made some money. There's Jeff. He freaking won the $500 clash. Oh, got to tell you, we also have $500 drawings every Monday, guys. Me and my members, I actually allow them. We do a random $500 cash draw. All I do is put your email in a freaking random line picker. It's a computer generated line picker, and we do it live. And somebody wins $500 cash every single Monday. So that's pretty cool. What kind of money are we talking about, guys? Well, look at this crazy one here. This is my videos here, guys.
Guys, this ought to drive the trolls and the haters, kind of, sort of.
There's $20,000 on sitting on that freaking truck, guys. 20 freaking grand. Kind of stupid, isn't it? Look at this one. What's this one? It's the money counter. Yes.
All right, guys, let's use the money counter on all this. Jesus. Enough, guys.
$20,000 sitting there. That's a $20,000 day.
Make sure.
Pretty crazy, isn't it, guys? Now, guys, I'm not taking this as trying to rub this in your face. What I'm trying to do is hopefully show you a little proof that we doing this, guys. We've been doing this for a while. You may not know me. You may not have ever come across my team or all my members and my clients and stuff like that. But we actually do this. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut up. I think that's enough proof. You can come over to my video guide. You can come over to my Facebook and just go down my timeline, and you'll see the life that I've been living out online, me and my clients. Not hard to do, guys. You just need to do it. You got to know how to properly do it. And once again, guys, this is a big one. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Traffic softwares, the softwares is the biggie, guys. You gotta have freaking automated softwares. If you're not going to pay for traffic, you gotta use automated softwares for free. There's free softwares. Okay. So just all you gotta do is opt in below, guys. The form will be below this video. Opt in, and you'll get the links. And I'll see you Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This coming Tuesday. Doesn't matter what week, guys. We do these live things every Tuesday. Doesn't matter which week it is. So if you want to come next Tuesday or Tuesday before that, or to Tuesday in 2023, we'll be still be doing these live classes. But I'm going to show you specifically how to do a $5,000 per month income during this coronavirus crap. All right, so let's put some smiles on your face, guys. If you don't die, we'll at least make you some money. All right, just having fun. All right, be safe out there, guys. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Opt in below, and your links will be in your email. Have a good one.